cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope, cause you just don't care. House, field. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to get respect? That's a shame, who's to blame? I don't know, but all I know is that we still rocking them chains. Still taking that whip, still trying to get paid. Still trying to find God, still trying to act saved. Yeah. Put a youngin' on the corner, now he winning. By 27, he'll be dead or in prison shampoo. Yeah, these are all the terrible conditions that we bind and we put inside the minds of our children. Can't you see we in despair? Look around, we got crime everywhere. But you still sell false hope, cause you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. You just don't care. You just don't. I hope my people can really go make a difference instead of being the people incarcerated in prisons. I never got caught for dealing a hole in a stolen pistol, so this one goes out to Warren, my granted justice and Crystal. Hold up, if you ain't adept, careful with your step. Get your soul in line, chasing after checks. If you ain't inclined to say what's on your mind, please don't throw your stones at me for speaking what's on mine. Man, I still don't feel that comfy in my own skin. It's hard to find your self-worth as a broken kid. These frames never held images of my own kin. That's why rap sheet the only place we fit it in. Yeah, you can go to court or you go on that court. You do 9 to 5 or you go play a sport. Can't represent the house if you out on that field. If you forget your place, you might turn to Emmett Till. Watch them legislate to execute my brothers that they killed. Got me talking about my problems as a way for me to heal. I went looking for a Beverly when I went to the hills, but I came back with a diamond and a couple dollar bills. Now they got me saying, oh yeah, don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, dark clouds in the air. If you don't know the game, then they ain't playing fair. Still selling false hope to you cause they don't care.
I remember being so naive, back when life was compared to good weather and palm trees. Back in those days, you were everything that I thought that I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. You really played me for a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Cause you know they say, there's a thin line between love and hate.
Don't you see we in despair? Got crime everywhere, still selling false hope, but you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. No, you just don't care. Yeah, man, I remember being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick enough to read. Oh yeah, you see we in despair, crime everywhere. You're selling false hope cause you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. Nah, you just don't care. You just don't. Still selling false hope cause you just don't care. House, field. If we talking to a uniform, who the real? You know we in the deep south, so let's keep it real. This is what they used to mob, lynch, drag, and kill. I never made the party cause I felt the paper bag. Gotta get this money cause you know I never had it. I'm feeling like Badu, the way I carry my baggage. This heavy load on my shoulders might turn me to a savage. Is that why I gotta fight to
Hello everyone and welcome back to our live webinar. Today Monday 13th of September. Hope you're doing well. What we want from you is to smash the like button before we start. So I can see a lot of you here, guys. I can see Walid, Antil, Bandu, and many of you. Oh my god, there is 140 person on this live. We are glad to see you all here. So please, if you hear me and you can see the chart clearly, let me know on the chat. But he's giving me some compliments. Yeah, guys, just let me know if you are hearing me well and the chart is really good. You cannot hear me. From my side, the mic is working. Okay, that's good, that's great. Okay. So, how are you, everyone? Let me know. How's your beginning of the week? I don't know from which side of the world you are, but I am in Barcelona now and it is 5 p.m. So hope you're doing well and you had a good day till now. Hello. Oh my god. Kimesha, Bandu. Nice. Guys, just before we start, we will not start today before pressing the like button. We're joking, but please do not forget to smash the like button, please. So, what we will do today is, as always, a quick market update, and then the turn is yours. Everything will be covered today whenever you provide a desired asset. Okay, I will try to take all your desired assets as much as I can, and I will try to analyze them. Hello, Roger, Kimesha. Oh my god, I can see a lot of you guys. I'm really glad to see you here, and we're happy to do this webinar week after week. Dubai, okay, nice. Who's from India, Europe, Australia, Canada? What's up? Hello, Real. Okay, guys, so peace and love. Panama, Spanish speakers, hola, ¿qué tal? Okay, guys, so let's not spend much time saying hello and start our webinar. Hello, awesome from Pakistan. So, as usual, I will start with the commodities. Commodities, we have the US oil. It is really important to look at it. So, what I will do is I will look at the higher time frame. You can go at the daily time frame or the weekly time frame. Let's start by the weekly time frame and explain you in details why I am bullish on the US oil. Sorry guys, I cannot say hi to all of you. I can see a lot of you here from Sri Lanka, Portugal, Somalia. Nice to see you all. Okay, so why I am bullish on US oil? I will start by the weekly time frame. Always, whenever you need to analyze any asset available on the financial market, please start on the higher time frame. We need to know the direction of the trend. So here we can see that the US oil is in a clear uptrend impulse. This is called correction impulse, and this is a deep correction. Okay, it was risky to see the US oil making a reversal, and then we will have a head and shoulders. But till now, this is still a pullback or correction. So what happened is we have seen an engulfing bullish pattern, which is a good sign that the market will continue its move to the upside. So on the weekly time frame, we have an engulfing bullish pattern. The market rallied even on the daily. If we go on the daily time frame, the market managed even to break this trend line. So if I use this trend line, you can see that the market broke it to the upside. So when I will consider a buy position, so I will buy this security above this level here. Okay, I will start to buy it above it. I will wait to see how this candlestick will close, and then if it closes above it, I will go on the 4 and or 1 hour time frame, see the price action since I am a price action trader above it, and then I will buy. Okay, you should watch out this level because there will be a lot of fake breakouts. So this is how I look at any security whenever I need to trade it or analyze it. This is as simple as that. Don't complicate your strategy, keep it simple, and then you will be able to get really good results. Gold. Gold. Love from India, thank you. Hello. Vaibhav, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry, but at least I managed to pronounce it, most of it right, okay? Hello Andre. So let's look at the gold. As well, I will start on the higher time frame. If we look at the higher time frame, let me remove all these key levels. The gold, as always, I said that it found resistance or support around this level here. And we have this wick here, which shows that a lot of buyers were buying around this level. So there was a lot of buy orders around this level here and then moved to the upside. So this is on the weekly time frame. The market is in a bullish movement. So the market moved to the upside and then entered into, let's say, a range. We have a kind of range here. If we go on the lower time frame, the market is ranging between those two levels, which is a little bit annoying. I don't like the range movement. So the market, what most probably will make is going up again around the 1833 USD. But first, there is a critical level that I should look at, which is this highlighted zone. Okay, so if the market couldn't break it, it might test again the 1791 USD and it might move to the downside again. So for now, I will wait to see how the market will react to this level, and then I might buy it all the way up until the 1835 USD. Hello Lasiru from Sri Lanka. Nice to see you all, guys. Meanwhile, prepare your desired asset. Everyone has the chance to provide one desired asset and I will analyze it at the end of the session. But please do not start to send them now. Wait a little bit, and then when I finish my market update, start to throw them on the live chat. Okay? Now we will move to the Forex or foreign currencies to see what's happening there. Forex currencies. I will start as always by the dollar index. Nepal. Okay, nice to see you. So on the dollar index, we have a movement to the upside. If I look at it like this, or even if I go on the weekly time frame, you can see that the market made a big double bottom. By the way, all the common patterns, double bottom, head and shoulders, they appear on all time frames and they work. So you should know them. Here we have a double bottom, and then since we have a double bottom, the market made a reversal. Okay, so even on the higher time frame, the common pattern works. As easy as this. So the market made a reversal, and you can see we have big bullish candlesticks like this one, and this one, and arrived or managed to test this level here and drop until this area again. So what's next for the dollar? I think the dollar will manage to move to the upside all the way up until the 93 USD mark. Okay, so if I go on the lower time frame, you can see that on the daily time frame, the market is sitting around this level here, which is 92.5 level. So the market is sitting around this level here. It might test it again and then rally all the way up until the 93.13. Okay, so this is when it comes to the US dollar. Nice, Walid, nice one. So what we should see on the Euro USD. By the way, who's bullish or bearish? Let me know your thought on the Euro USD. Who's trading it and you are bearish or bullish on the Euro USD? Let me know your point of view, guys. Come on, send me your point of view on the Euro USD on the live chat so you know your thought. Bearish. Another than awesome Akil. Next. Bullish. Zahir. The Zahir, always we see you on the live chat. Nice to see you all the time. Other than this, who's bullish and who's bearish? Long. By the way, guys, we forget to tell you, if you are not able to comment on the live chat, you should subscribe. Once you subscribe, it takes 1 second. Just click the subscribe on our YouTube channel, then you will be able to comment. Okay, so only the subscribers can send the live messages on the chat. So by just clicking, it is free, on the subscribe button on our YouTube channel, then you will be able to interact with us and send us your point of view. So bearish, long. I can see Jay, he's bullish on the Euro USD. Okay, most of you, I can see you're bearish, and I think this is the right thought, but nobody knows. This is the market, but I see it as well as bearish. Let's look at the Euro USD. Euro USD, as we look at it here, the market is in a clear downward movement. So if I look at it on the daily time frame, the market reached this resistance here and then moved to the downside. So we had a reversal. We say we have a reversal, up and then down. This is not a correction, this is a reversal. The bad thing is that the market couldn't close below this level. It couldn't close below the 1805. So, which is little bit risky, but for now it still look bearish. So don't be concerned about this big movement to the upside. It might be a fake breakout to the upside and then go all the way down. Okay, let's see how it goes. So we have an impulse. This is a correction, a beautiful correction with a bearish flag. This is a flag, and then we might see the Euro USD all the way down until 70.68. Okay, I know this is a little bit concerning. It might be that the buyers are taking control again, seeing it all the way up, but I will wait a little bit until seeing what's next when it comes to the candlestick. The candlestick, it tells you everything, guys. You can understand everything, who's in control of the market, by just looking at the market. Okay, for now we have impulse, correction, and then most probably it will go down. However, this is little bit concerning, and we have long wicks to the downside. It might be, there is a small probability that the buyers are coming back again and pushing it to the upside, but most probably or most likely we're still bearish for the Euro USD. Thank you for your contribution, guys. Thanks a lot for all of you. Okay, it might be great also to like our video. This is a big favor for us. So let me go now to talk a little bit on the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, we have the BTC. Let me look at the BTC first. So BTC, FRN webinar. What's happening on the BTC? Let me clear everything. So here we have the BTC. As you see, guys, as you can see, the market couldn't close above this level. If you master, by the way, the art of putting your key levels or support and resistance, you are halfway there. Okay, look how easy, or look how much it helped you by just putting your key level. What I did is I put this level, and you can see that the market closed below it, retested, and then this is a bad sign. We might see a continuation to the downside, but first you should be aware of this level here. Okay, so 44 or 43,700, it is holding the BTC. If we have a breakout, then a next level, it could be around this level here, which is 41k, but for now it is held here. Okay, so watch out and see how the market will close in the next coming days. Unfortunately, the market reversed, so you can see that we had some sort of a bullish channel. It was broken to the downside, closed below the support, and now it is between the 46 and the 43k. So we might see in the coming days something like this until one of the players, the buyers, either the buyers or the sellers, win. If the buyers wins, then we have a move to the upside. If the sellers win, then we have a movement to the downside, which we don't want to see. Okay, BTC to 100k. Yeah, if this accumulation phase ends and we see a move to the upside, maybe we can see the BTC here around the 52k or 53k. So guys, it is so easy to draw these key levels, and they will give you a lot of information. Just practice on how do you put your key levels. First put them on your higher time frame, and then act based on these key levels. Okay, this is a really easy thing to do. So BTC, unfortunately, it is more bearish than bullish. The movement has we can see the movement to the downside here, and then it is struggling around the 44k. Okay, and then we have this critical level here. Okay, this is when it comes to the BTC USDT. So after this, I will look quickly on the ETH USDT or ETH USDT, and then, as Patrick said, we will take your desired assets or suggestions to be analyzed quickly. So ETH USDT, as you can see, we talked about this critical level last time. So we have a very critical level here. Unfortunately, there was not enough power or momentum to push the price all the way up until the previous all-time high. The market dropped dramatically all the way down. Okay, so the market dropped all the way down, and now we can see this is a support here. What's next? Unfortunately, we can see or most probably we will see the ETH around this level here, which is the 3k or 3000 USDT. We have a close below this level, which is critical. It is not close yet, but it is below it, which is little bit worrying and looks bearish. So most probably the market will continue all the way down until the 2978 or 80. So if we go on the lower time frame, you can see, look how the key levels help us, guys. It is respecting our key levels. You can see the long wick to the upside. So most probably there will be a test around this level here, which is 2988. Okay guys, hope this is clear for you when it comes to the market updates. Now it's your turn to provide us with your favorite asset to be analyzed at the end of this webinar. So I will wait for your assets and securities to be analyzed. Please go ahead, and I will start to pick one by order, one after the other. Euro JPY, yeah, we'll look at the Euro JPY. Please provide just one asset, okay? Maybe we will not have time to to do them all, but I will do as much as I can in the last 15 minutes. Okay, do not forget to subscribe in the channel on the YouTube, so you will be able to interact with us and send us your favorite asset. So it takes just 1 second by clicking the subscribe, and then you will be able to send messages. Okay, Euro JPY. So Euro JPY, it managed to move to the upside until faced a strong resistance here and then tumbled. And as you can see, I don't know, Jay, you asked about it. The market is stuck around this level. Also, what I am worried about, this long wick to the upside. This shows that there is a lot of sellers. So if this area hold, then we can see a rally again all the way up. And to be able to know if the market or the area will hold, you should go on the lower time frame and wait until we see a significant or a relevant price action here, and then you might buy all the way up. But for now, I will wait. It's too early to buy Euro JPY. Do not buy the bottom, guys. Okay, it's not that easy to trade the bottom. Don't think that you will be able to trade the bottom. Wait for more confirmations, always. Trading the bottoms always end up with a stop loss triggered. Okay, Euro JPY, USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD, as you can see here, it failed to break this level. It is struggling around the 26.89. But one thing that I like about the USD CAD, that this is a kind of correction. You can see we have impulse correction. So we might see a move to the upside above the 26.90. Okay, this is a correction. So impulse correction. All the time the market moves. Impulse correction. Impulse correction. This is in a trending market. In a ranging market, we have different movement which are simpler, like this, up and down between a range. So here this might lead to a breakout. Okay, but watch out from this level here. Also, it's early to buy. USD CAD, Australian New Zealand. Let me go on the Australian New Zealand. Okay, the Australian New Zealand, as you can see, I put a note here. I am waiting to see a retracement around this level here. Okay, although now I am a little bit concerned because there is this big bullish candlestick. This shows that we might see a reversal to the upside even if we are below this level. Okay, so I don't like this formation here, or how the candlestick, how they look here, because this might lead to a move all the way to the 0417. This is not a correction. Unfortunately, this is not a correction. This is kind of accumulation before the movement goes up. Okay, this is my experience when it comes to the price action trading. This is if you would like to see, this is a correction. This is not a correction. This is a correction. Okay, know the difference. It's easy to trade with price action once you master it. Okay, it takes time, but once you understand the formation of this candlestick, trading will become so easy. Euro JPY, USD CAD, Australian New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, we were selling Euro New Zealand today on the VIP. Okay, so the Euro New Zealand here, the market is in a clear downward movement. If we look on the higher time frame, we have bullish, bearish movement, we have a correction, and then the market tested this area and then made a bounce to the upside. I am selling this pair, let me make it clear, I am selling it on the lower time frame. I'm still bearish, although we have higher lows, which is a little bit concerning, and we might end up with a stop triggered. But here we have a double top candles, neckline, and then the market could tumble again around the previous low, which is 65.35. Next, CAD CHF. CAD CHF. I don't have it. I don't know why. Let me add it. CAD CHF. CAD CHF. Okay, CAD CHF. Let me look at it. By the way, you're bullish or bearish on the CAD CHF? Sorry guys, I know a lot of you are sending, oh my god, hope I can do them all. I will be happy, but this is too much. Thanks for your contribution, guys. Thank you so much. We're happy to see you all here. Okay, so we'll try to cover them all. Let me talk about CAD CHF. Whoever who asked about this pair, I will try bearish. Okay, we'll look at the XY, although I did it the XY, sorry. Bearish. Okay, the thing that you should be aware that there is a strong area here. Okay, you can see it, the market bounce, tumbled, bounce up. So the market, it seems it is trying to move to the upside. And here you have a strong area as well. You can see it from this bottom here. Okay, so it is stuck between those two levels. I don't recommend you to even sell or buy now. Okay, there is no opportunity at all. Look, and breakouts rarely they happen. I prefer to see a breakout and then trade it. I do not trade before a breakout. You should learn this, guys. Do not trade a breakout. Do not bet that the breakout will be a real one, because most of the time there will be a fake breakout around these levels. Watch out from these levels. Okay. What does it mean, frazzling, Pat? Euro USD. I don't know if I am still in the order or I lost it, sorry. Okay, Australian US dollar, it is in a clear downward movement. You can see the market reversed and made a fake breakout here and moved to the downside. This is a long wick to the downside, to the upside. That means sellers are in control. These are signals, guys, that you should know them by looking at the candlestick. But what I didn't like is how the market here reacted. It made a fake breakout with a big candlestick above the midpoint of the previous candlestick, the bearish one. So this shows that buyers came again. Let me make it clear. So this looks a red flag if we want to sell, because it is above the midpoint in this bearish candlestick, and we can see now that we have long wicks to the downside. So we might test again the 0.7408. Guys, we are doing these live webinars to let you learn how to trade by yourself. Okay, you will take a lot of ideas, you will benefit from my experience and knowledge, and as well you will be able to apply them on your trading account. So what's next? Australian USD. What's after Australian USD? Euro New Zealand, we talked about it. Thank you for the feedback, man. Australian US CHF, I think we talked about it. We'll make it directly. Okay, Australian CHF, and I think you understand now the system. You're learning for sure. So the market is in a clear upward movement on the higher time frame. Correction stuck around this level. If I go on the lower time frame, you can see that we have a correction. This is a correction. So next, if this was broken, if this is broken, then we might see Australian rallying again. Let's see how this area will hold, which is 67.96. Okay, I will try to cover as much as I can, so I will do most of your desired asset. Euro New Zealand, we did it. Sorry guys. GBP USD or pound sterling, whatever you would like to call it. GBP USD, I was looking at it. I can see the GBP USD rallying all the way up as the arrow put here until 38.91. Okay, this looks really good, and I think here there is 61.8 as Fibonacci. So if I use the Fibonacci, 50 is, if not 61.50. Okay, so this is a good sign that maybe the buyers came here and then all the way up until 38.91. BTC. Oh, what's thank you Mubarak. Most probably I will do the DXY again. Woof. I'm trying to do them by order. New Zealand USD, it is rallying as you can see. Okay, so the market is stuck around this level here. We have long wicks to the downside, so this might push the New Zealand USD all the way up. Also on the daily, you can see that the direction is all the way up, so it is not wise to sell. It is better for sure to buy. Next, New Zealand Euro USD, we did it. Bitcoin, we did it. CAD, CHF, we did it. JPB, JPY, I will cover it. USD cap, free trade from VIP. DXY, okay, little by little, guys. So I did gold. Sorry, I did it. Any reason why you look at certain chart on 1 hour versus? No, there is no. I have two time frames. Higher time frame, I look at the weekly or daily. Lower time frame, I do the 1 hour, and I choose 4 hour or 1 hour, whatever. I need more details, I go on a lower time frame, which is 1 hour, to see more the candlesticks. The candlesticks will help you a lot. Okay, about ICP, what is ICP? Can you please okay, I will. Okay, Samit, but tell me, what is ICP that you're talking about? You mean it is a coin? GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY. Let's see GBP JPY. GBP JPY. I am okay. For those who are in my or in our Forex Robot Nation VIP group, I bought this, and you can see I bought it around this level here. Looks really good for the GBP JPY. We have a long wick to the downside, so a lot of buyers came here, and then my analysis is to see it around the 153.29. Okay. So guys, please do not forget to like our video. Okay, this is really good to us. It helps us a lot. So someone asked me about ICP, and he was insisting I will not make him sad before going, so I will do. I think ICP is. Can you give me the right ticker to give it to you? Like, can you tell me what is the ticker of ICP? ICP USDT, or it is a coin, stock, or whatever it is. If it's stock, please, I will not do it, because we do just commodities, forex, and forex, commodities, and crypto. Sorry. Okay, someone asked about RVN USDT. I will do it shortly. When analyzing higher time frame chart, are you like for more swing trades and less day trades? No, I do the higher time frame to see the direction. Okay, but if you want swing trades, you can use different time frames. So always, even in swing, either in swing or in day trades, you should have always two time frame. Then for day trades, you use two time frames, and then for the swing trades, you pick two different time frames. Okay, but always you should use two time frames. Okay, I will do it. So let me go for the crypto section, do RVN and ICP for Mr. Adarsh. Let me do the ICP. Where is it? I can see it somewhere here. ICP. Okay, I cannot find it here. Let me add it. ICP USDT. Oh. This is ICP USDT. Okay, Adarsh, watch out from this level. I will tell you, watch out from this level. The market made a fake breakout and then we might see a rally. Okay, I do not buy the bottom, but this is worrying little bit. Okay, so the market surpassed the support, but then is this covering or moving to the upside again. So watch out from this level. It's too early to sell. It's too early to sell and too early to buy, because rarely you can buy the bottom. Rarely it will be a successful one. Wait for confirmations. Next, ICP, RVN. Someone asked me about RVN. I will do it for sure. RVN USDT. RVN USDT. Oh my god. RVN USDT. RVN USDT. RVN USDT. Whoop. RVN USDT. Unfortunately, I was expecting that the RVN it will rally, but it managed to break this level here. Okay, so next level, I think RVN, I will see it around here. Okay, for whoever asked me about RVN, as I see it, is it will drop until 0.1018. You will ask me why. I will tell you, because the market made a big move, impulse correction, and then it will continue the impulse all the way down until the 0.10. As simple as this. Okay, Euro GBP, we did it. I think we'll do it for you guys. Hope everyone is happy, and I try to cover all your, let's say, desired asset. I am doing my best. I am being as quick as I can and in a professional way, for sure. I'm not providing to provide, so I'm trying to cover all your assets in a very quick way. New Zealand CAD. Let me do Euro GBP. Someone asked me about it, Jay. Euro GBP, and then I will go for the New Zealand CAD. Euro GBP, I am selling it. As you can see, I already put this area as a good one to sell it, but I was expecting it to reach this level, but not all the time you can know which level is significant, but I was expecting it to reach this level, and now the market rallied all the way up. GBP CAD, someone asked me about New Zealand CAD. Most welcome, Lowo. Who said? Why sad, Lowo? You should not leave sad. No one should leave sad, guys. USD CHF. New Zealand CAD. Sorry, New Zealand CAD. I think someone asked about New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, I am buying New Zealand CAD. Okay, I expected to reach the 0.9056. Why? There is a strong area here. Okay, you can see it. The 90 is a key level. So if the market manage to stay above it and the buyers will hold this level, then 0.9057 it could be reached. Okay, low the I will give you a free week. Stop being sad. This is a general offer from the boss Patrick. Patrick will give you a VIP free trial. USD CHF. Omar, I did your New Zealand CAD, right? New Zealand CHF, as you can see, it reached this level here, which is 0.939232. Okay, so the peak is reached. There is no point to sell now, because there is no confirmation that the market will move to the downside. So do not sell if you're thinking to sell. Okay, we'll take USD CHF. We did it. Euro USD, we did it, Nigel. So I will take the GBP CHF, and then we will say goodbye to each other. Okay guys, but before this, please like our video. This will help us a lot, and we will try to provide more relevant content next time. So the more you like, the more we will contribute to these live webinars. GBP CHF, it is moving to the upside, and I can see it reaching all the way up until the 27.95, and this is an area where the GBP CHF hold and will rally. If you go on the lower time frame, this is a good candlestick, so maybe a move to the downside and then all the way up until the 28 mark. Guys, we should thank you for all of you. A big thanks and love. We will provide more next time at 3 p.m. Monday GMT time. So we will see you next week. Have a lovely day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.